Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You need a few quick checks before you record. Confirm camera, microphone, and storage permissions, then free up at least 500 MB. Once done, open the camera or the dedicated recorder app and switch to video mode. Make sure you choose the rear or front camera depending on your subject. This matters for quality and framing. Tap the resolution or quality icon now, and pick a preset like 1080p at 30 FPS if you want good balance between clarity. With the app open, configure your key settings. Select resolution and frame rate based on your storage and target use, because higher settings consume space faster. Next, enable electronic or optical stabilization and turn on grid lines to help composition. Lock exposure and white balance so brightness and color don't shift mid-shot. Once configured, mount your phone on a tripod or steady surface and check audio levels. Plug in an external mic if you have one. Then press record when you're ready. When your take ends, stop recording deliberately and wait for the app to finish processing the file before navigating away. This prevents corruption. Review the clip and trim within the app if needed, then export to your gallery and back up to cloud or SD to free phone space. If you encounter issues like no audio or sudden crashes, restart the device, clear the recorder app cache, and test with a short clip. If problems persist, try a different recording app or update the system software.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.